all, welcome back to JS Crafters World. Do like, share and subscribe. In this video, we'll be seeing with different types of studs made out of silk thread using ring base. So first we'll check with the materials required. Ring base of 1.4 cm I have chosen. In this video, I'm going to make about 4 different designs with this ring base. Next you'll need stud back. Flower stud back of 10 mm is preferable. Then you'll need a needle with bigger hole. It's optional. Then silk threads. Here I'm going to make 4 designs. So I'm choosing 4 different colors of silk thread. And according to the design, I'm going to make using bead caps. One is using stone balls. And another one is kundans and then acrylic flower base. And then you'll be needing a fabric glue, a thread cutter or a cutter, and then any metal type glue for fixing the pointed stones. So before starting with the wrapping of ring base, first we can fix the pointed stones to the bead caps. So for this I'm using B6000 glue. You can choose any metal type glue so that you can fix the stones to the metal base, that is the bead cap. So now we'll start with the wrapping of ring base. For this 1.4 cm ring base, I'm taking about 50 to 51 cm you can take of a string. You have to take 14 strings totally like that. It can be as a continuous strings. So once you have taken the strings, next cut both the ends of the string using thread cutter and apply glue to it and then insert it into the needle that you have taken and form a loop backward and stick the thread. Now take the thread, the other end from the needle, that side, and apply glue to it and stick that to the ring base. Once the threads are stuck to the ring base, then you can start with the wrapping of the ring base. So once the threads are stuck to the ring, then insert the thread through the other end. That is, you have to form like loops around the ring base. That is, we have to wrap it around the ring base. Each time of wrapping, just give a press on the threads so that the threads sits well on the ring base. Once you have completed with the wrapping of the ring base, then cut the extra thread and apply glue to the last end of the thread and stick it to the ring. Similarly, wrap the other piece of ring base. Similarly, wrap the other pairs of ring bases that we have taken with the thread we have chosen. So the first design is using kundans. So for this, apply glue to the ring base and stick the kundan. The kundan can be of 8 mm or 10 mm size. So the next design is using bead caps. So for this, we have already stuck the pointed stones to the bead cap holes. So now you can apply glue to the base and attach the bead caps to it. The third design is using the acrylic flowers. The acrylic flowers has a hole in it, so you can check if the needle that we have chosen goes into that hole, and then you can now take the thread like we use for general stitching and put a knot at the end. Then stick the acrylic flower to the base of the ring, and then you can insert the thread into the holes in the acrylic flowers and stitch it for about 2 or 3 times by inserting and reinserting it into the holes in the flower loop. Once done, cut the extra thread and stick it to the base, and similarly the starting point of the thread, that also you need to cut and stick it to the ring base. Now the fourth design is using stone balls. The wrapping pattern is similar to the acrylic flower that we have done. So take a thread and you have to insert it into the stone balls and form the loops like stitching it over the ring base that we have wrapped and kept. So once you have stitched it on the ring base, then you can cut the extra thread and stick it using the glue. So once all the ring bases are ready, now we can attach the stud bag to it. Here I have taken about 8 mm stud bag. You can also choose 10 mm stud bag. Preferably a flower stud bag will be helpful. So apply glue to the stud bag and then attach the ring bases to it. Similarly, attach all the stud bags to the ring bases we have done. So 4 designs of studs using 1.4 cm ring bases are ready. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. For regular updates, press the bell icon. Thanks again for watching the video. Follow us in Insta and Facebook.